Good morning.
Welcome to a What I Eat in a Day by Eugen's Life. Before I went to sleep yesterday, I was watching a lot of easy recipe videos on YouTube, and I really wanted to make this cabbage, potato, egg omelette thingy for breakfast today. And that's the only food item that I have planned. It's currently 1 p.m. and this is gonna be my first meal of the day because I woke up kind of late. But yeah, let's go. Hey. I literally bought cabbage and potato at Trader Joe's without even realizing that this is gonna be my breakfast today. The onions are making me cry. Okay, let's see how it looks like. Whoa. 잘 먹겠습니다. That's so good. I'm pleasantly surprised at how this turned out. I'll put the video that I saw in my description. Hey. Hey. Everyone say hi to Mel. Hey guys. Hey Mel. I made the other half from Mel. But yeah, this is a very easy recipe. Good. Thank you, thank you. Healthy. It is healthy. Demolished. I forgot to put my avocado on top. Matcha time.
Wait, bangs!
I've always said bangs.
No, they're like really like
Banging right now?
They're really big.
Hey, say hi to the vlog!
Hey guys. Oh wait, I'm so sorry. That's why you're looking cute right now.
Oh my god, that's not why. Okay, this is how I make my matcha. And then I add more water. Ice. Well, no reaction. You must be used to that.
You're a perv.
You're a perv!
You're actually.
I'm gonna be going to a cafe with my friend Jahi, so honestly I don't know why I made a matcha. Oh my god guys, I didn't have good sleep last night. I put an alarm for 8:30 a.m. because I wanted to be productive. I ended up sleeping at like 3 a.m. so it was so hard for me to wake up, and I kept snoozing my alarms until it was like 11 o'clock and I woke up so groggy. I actually got this matcha from TikTok shop, and I think it's a pretty popular matcha brand in Japan. I don't know if the TikTok shop one is authentic, but it's honestly so delicious. Oh, I drank that up so fast. 시게? Mango blackberry peach lemongrass.
Yeah, mango, blackberry, peach,
Lemongrass.
lemongrass. I can see.
Hey guys! Hi. We're gonna be eating dinner next to the river. Oh my god, best halal in New York City. Dude, that's so pretty. Janae and her sister gave me their Chinese food leftovers. So we're gonna eat this too. Whoa! Oh my god. This is so much food too. Fried rice. It's so good. It's so good. Oh my god. Oh my god. There's scallion pancakes. Wait, that was such a good video. No,
This is really good.
Hey, hey, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Hey, yay!
Hey, pretty girl. Hi. What's your name? David. What's your name? Hey guys. Hey everybody, I'm home now. I know this was a what I eat in a day, but honestly I feel like this has turned more into a... I'm sorry, I'm just so tired. I think I expected myself to come back home and cook dinner, but today just became a whole different day than I expected. It was an amazing day. I guess the last thing I'm gonna eat today is water. Ugh, I'm just like so dehydrated. Oh, thank you for watching. I love you guys. Oh my god, I feel crazy. Okay, bye guys. I'm so tired.